Hello everyone. Today we are going to see a new topic 10th standard volume 2 economics industrial clusters in Tamil Nadu part 3. We are moving to the new topic industrialization in Tamil Nadu development phase. Phase means it is a stage. The final stages of industrialization is the forced reform period since the early 1919. Forced reform period, it is the beginning of the economy period from the year 1980 to 1990. The reforms made the state government more responsible for resource mobilization and they were forced to compete with each other to attract private investments for industrialization. Incentives such as cheap land, tax concessions, and subsidy, but quality power, these were offered by the government to who investors, those who investing in the project, who means support. Trade liberalization and currency devaluation also helped open up exporting markets. This led to two major developments. First, because of trade liberalization measures, export of textiles, home furnishing, and leather products began to grow rapidly. Rapidly means slowly but continuously. Second, efforts to attract investment led to entry of leading multinational firms. Firms means industry into the state, especially in the automobile sector. Since automobile sector depends heavily on component makers, entry of MNC not only brought along other MNC component suppliers but also opened up new market opportunities for domestic component producers. Actually, in this paragraph, the entry of the MNC that led to the domestic producers to make market and that also gave opportunity for the domestic producers to make a market. Chennai region also emerged as a hub. Hub means it is the center for electronic industry with the MNCs, multinational corporations such as Nokia, Foxconn, Samsung and Flextronics opening plants means industries on the city's outskirts. Outskirts means it is a outer of the city. A significant share of this investment has come up in special economic zones in the district bordering Chennai. Tamil Nadu has often been hailed means it is emerging and it becomes as a best as a model for successfully using the special economy zone, that is says route, to attract productive investments. Other important industries in the state that evolved over a much longer period include sugar industry, fertilizer industry, and cement industries. Agricultural implements, iron and steel, chemicals and transformers and paper also implemented. Because of all these factors, Tamil Nadu at present has the largest number of factories among all states in India and also has the largest share of workforce employed in manufacturing. Importantly, it is more labor. Tamil Nadu is successfully emerging as a best industries comparing to the other industrially advanced states like Maharashtra and Gujarat. The major industries are automobiles, auto components, light and heavy engineering, machinery, cotton, textiles, rubber, food, product, transport equipment, chemicals and leather goods. Unlike other states, the industries are spread across all regions of the state. There are nearly 27 industries joined together in 13 districts, with many of them being export oriented as well. Export oriented means all these industries are mostly exporting their product to the other countries. The state has a well developed network of road, rail, air, and major ports. The spread of industrialization. Diffusion means it is a spread. The spread of industrialization also implies more relies on a widening of the social base of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship, it is a business. Unlike in North India, where entrepreneurs, business person, and business groups are drawn mostly from merchant communities, in Tamil Nadu, the entrepreneurs actually in this paragraph, the entrepreneurs mostly from the merchant communities from a dispersed social background with a relatively small size of capital amount. Capital means it is amount. Further, the spread of industries is higher. The state also has a better mixing of large, small, of household industries. The spread process of industrialization and corresponding related with urbanization has led the way for better rural urban linkages in Tamil Nadu than in most other states. So, Tamil Nadu is the best state which has all the facilities comparing to the other industries, other states also. Now we are moving to the next topic, major industrial clusters and their specialization in Tamil Nadu. Chennai. Chennai is nicknamed as the Detroit of Asia. Detroit of Asia. It is Chennai become as a hub as well as center of auto industries base. Chennai is a home to large number of auto assembly and component making industries. While there were a few domestic industries like TVS, TI Cycles, Ashok Leyland, and Standard Motors earlier in the post reform period, several multinational corporations, industries like Hyundai, Ford, Daimler Benz, and Renault Nissan have opened factories in the region. So, this in turn has attracted a number of component suppliers from foreign countries. Many local industries too spread to component productions for all these industries. Many local industries also able to produce component productions for all these industries which is in need of. In this topic, I just have shown all the industrial sectors and their places. There are so many places, and these places have so many industries. Even Dharmapuri, Salem, Namakkal, Erode, Karur, Tiruchirappalli, Perambalur, Dindikkal, Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari, Theni, and so on. Hosur is another auto cluster with industries like TVS and Ashok Leyland having their factories there. Coimbatore also important region. It is also developing into an auto component cluster. Next, we are moving to the next topic: truck and bus bodybuilding industries clusters. That is existing in Namakkal, Tiruchengodu, Belch in Western Tamil Nadu is known for its truck bodybuilding industry. Namakkal is the center of Namakkal as well as Tiruchengodu is the center of Tamil Nadu, which is in the side of Western. It is well known for the truck bodybuilding industries. About 150 of the 250 units in the sector are located in this cluster, including 12 large-sized bodybuilding houses. Karur is another major hub with more than 50 units. Units means industries that is existing. Many entrepreneurs were previous employees in a big industries involved in bodybuilding who came out to set up their own units. If you like, please subscribe our channel. Our channel name is Please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Step Up Learning with Leena. Thank you.